As you all know that what are pronouns? Pronouns are the words that take place of nouns or nouns phrase. If you want to know more about nouns and pronouns, then visit the links given in the description. Now we will learn about the types of pronouns. There are 8 kinds of pronouns. Personal pronouns, possessive pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, indefinite pronouns, relative pronouns, reflexive pronouns, and emphasizing pronouns. So, today we will learn about personal pronouns. A personal pronoun is a pronoun that replaces a person, place or thing. For example, she is my best friend. Please pass the book to him. The car is ours. The words I, you, she, he, it, we, and they are personal pronouns. These pronouns replace a noun or nouns in the naming part of the sentence. For example, that man has a car. He has a car. And the words me, you, her, him, us, and them are also personal pronouns. These pronouns replace a noun or nouns in the telling part of a sentence. For example, Ram gave chocolate to the man and the woman. Ram gave chocolate to them. The pronouns you and it can be used anywhere in the sentence. The pronoun you is used for both singular and plural nouns. For example, Ram said that you are my best friend, and the coach said that I have believe in all of you. The pronoun it can also be used in any part of sentence. For example, the dog is very fast. It is very fast. And the dog carries the basket. The dog carries it. So this was all about the personal pronouns. Thanks for watching the video.